The experience was amazing. I got to meet Kevin Durant, I got to meet Serena Williams, Quavo, very big celebrities that you don't get to meet on a daily basis. I saw Quavo in a pizza parlor after he spoke, so that was a great experience. In addition to that, like Kevin Durant, like I had a chance to speak with him for like 2 minutes. The question I asked him was related to basketball, and his reaction wasn't related to basketball, but his reaction was so different because everyone that goes up to him asks him about basketball. I went to ask him about his business, and that was something he smiled about. Every time he talked to someone else, he was like, oh yeah, I've achieved this, I've achieved that in basketball. But if you go out and ask these CEOs and these big people about something personal in their life, they're actually gonna open up to you more than they usually would. So that was a great experience. The biggest takeaway was that I saw a lot of students that went there. They went there just to go and network, but they didn't go in there to network themselves. They didn't want to go show off themselves. Even though they had so many accomplishments, they just went there to like mingle with friends. If they had already met some people there, they stood in like one huddle and then that's all they did. I was one of the few students that actually went out of my comfort zone, and I went out to go meet every single person that was out there. I just went to approach random people, figuring out that this person was a CEO, this person was a venture capitalist. Some guys even approached me and they were like, do you want this type of money for your investment, just to invest in you? And had I not gone out and talked to these people, I wouldn't have got those investments into myself, as well as growing professionally and growing my business as well. So I wouldn't have been able to do that. UCF actually prepared me a lot for this experience. I've done a lot of conferences, and I've gone through, from freshman year until my senior year or currently, I've been growing slowly and gradually to the point I am currently. So when I did come here freshman year, I was very timid. I came from a third world country to America, and I had no friends, no family, no one to lean on, and UCF gave me that family feeling where I could actually lean on different people and actually grow my network base. From there, I actually grew up, and I started exposing myself to one person every day for 365 days, and I grew my network that way, and that was what UCF instilled in me through its core values, and those core values is what I hold personally to myself, and I can actually go out and inspire other people to like build themselves upon that. So a little dose of inspiration that I'll give you guys out there is that when life knocks you down, I always want you guys to look up while you're falling down, because when you can look up, you can get up. In addition to that, when things go wrong in your life, don't go with them. It's simple as that. Like, you have to establish your goals and establish your plans ahead of time, and there's going to be obstacles that come around in life. Always go and jump over them. So I'll give you an example. You've always seen a line of ants crossing walking along a bit under your feet. Have you ever tried putting a stick in front of those line of ants? They're always going to find a way to go around it. It's a proven thing. It's in our anatomy. It's in our bones. That if an obstacle is put in our place, we're always going to find a way to go push around it. And that's what I want to instill in you guys. Anything that hinders your progress is something that's going to grow you as a person. And that's the biggest takeaway I've taken in my life, and I want to share it with you guys as well.